Hello everyone, I'm Delbert, and I'm glad to introduce my topic, Security, Comfortable and Smart, IoT in Smart Home. Okay Google, turn on the light of room turn on. This is a scenario in my house. Over the past decade, IoT and smart home technology has become increasingly into our everyday life. For example, the idea of controlling the air condition worldwide may have seemed a distant dream, but thanks to the invention of the smartphone and the availability of technologies, it's now a possibility and a reality for many people. Next, in next 5 part, I will break down what a smart home is and how you can add some to your life. Believe me, the process is much less complicated than it might seem. What's the Internet of Things and smart home? The Internet of Things is a network of the physical atoms that are integrated with sensors, software, and other technologies with the purpose of communicating and sharing data with other devices and the system over the Internet. Smart home use the Internet to monitor and managing house devices such as lamps, thermostats, entertainment system, and house security systems. Why may smart home revolutionize the home life? We can see the benefit of the IoT smart home. First is the comfort. People always want to have everything in more comfort and convenient way, and the IoT in smart home is the greatest achievement in this direction. It perfectly copes with the task of the simplifying and improving life. A lot of the process in your home auto-run, but the overall control still remain in your hands. Imagine this. The moment your car leaves the parking near your office, the conditioner starts cooling your house so that you could enter a cool home. Control and monitoring. The IoT improves the way you can control and monitor all the process take place at your home. For example, you can see what happens in your house by watching security camera through your smartphone. Cost and energy saving. With the detailed statistic about the work and the energy consumption of each smart device, you can easily optimize their usage and adjust your smart home setting in a more cost-saving way. You can also allow your smart home system to do everything on its own. The system will be shut down the device which is not in use and reduce the power consumption if there's no one at home. Environmental impact. Energy saving assists to decrease a negative influence on the environment and living a green life. Better security. The smart home security system is a great tool for protecting your property since it provides the total control of everything inside and outside of your house. Security camera, smart lock, as well as motion detector, smoke detector, and other sensors. All these smart devices work together and notify you if something's going wrong. You can check what is going on and whatever you are sitting in the office or laying on the beach. Background. Research indicates that 44% of the households in North America will be a smart home by 2022. With figures like this, the impact of smart home technology on how we live is clear. Furthermore, it is expected to become much more prominent in the future. Fast booming market. The high-tech world is expanding and may provide a lot of opportunities for companies, including IoT for smart homes. Many well-known firms have already developed excellent goods and services. Angus Smart Lock has the reputation of the most reliable one. Next semester is considered to be the best solution for adjust home temperature. Smart home assistants are also in high demand right now. For example, Google Home helps to manage the smart device reacting to your voice command. Facing problems. Despite the fact that smart homes have been increasingly into people's life, there are too many identical items and technical solutions on the market. It is a challenge to figure out how to pick smart home goods based on the various demands of the different consumers. Another essential consideration when choosing a smart home system is how to maintain network security and privacy. Applications. We will focus on a few of the most popular smart home applications on the market right now. Smart thermostats. Smart thermostats such as Nest allowing users to schedule, monitor, and remote control home temperatures. This device also learns owners' behavior and auto-modify settings to provide the resident with maximum comfort and efficiency. Smart thermostats can also report energy use and remind the user to change filters. Smart security. With the smart security cameras, users can monitor their homes when they are away or on vacation. Smart motion sensors are also able to identify the difference between the residents, visitors, pets, and burglars, and can notify the owner if the suspicious behavior is detected. Smart lock. Using the smart lock, users can grant or deny access to visitors through their phones. Smart lock can also detect what users are near and unlock the door for them. Smart irrigation. IoT sensors allow smart irrigation systems to automate whether to increase or decrease water supplies, or even collect data on incoming weather patterns to determine the most suitable action. This system can also be remote controlled and customized by users to suit their requirements. How does smart home work? Smart home work on three levels: monitoring, control, and animation. Monitoring means that users can check in on their device remotely through an app. For example, someone could view their live feed from the smart security camera. Control means that the user can control the device remotely. They can use the mobile application. The mobile application allows users to control their device in real time, whether it's a shut off the outdoor light or opening the smart door. The app is also where users set schedule, group the IoT devices, and the customer device setting. Most of the IoT devices had apps for Android and iOS device. Makes them compatible with the majority of the mobile device and the tablet. You also can use the voice assistant. With the voice assistant, you can use your voice to control the device. Most of the IoT devices work with one of the three voice assistants: Alexa, Google Assistant, and Siri. Finally, automation means setting up devices to trigger one another, like having a smart alarm go off when the security camera detects motion. Challenges of the smart home marketing. Complexity. One disadvantage of the smart home is their complexity. Some persons struggle with the technology and will abandon it at the first setting up. Smart home manufacturers and alliances are cooperating to reduce the complexity and improve the user experience in order to make it fun and help for users of all sorts and technical levels. Interoperable. To be real successful, smart home products must be compatible regardless of the manufacturer and use the same or complementary protocols. Because the smart home marketing is still in its early stage, there's no gold standard. Alliances, on the other hand, are cooperating with the manufacturers and the protocol to ensure compatibility and a seamless user experience. Security. In 2016, NTT Data's report found that 80% of US consumers are concerned about the security of the smart home data. If the hackers are able to infiltrate the smart device, they could potentially turn off the alarms and unlock the door, leave the home defenseless to break in. Further, hackers could potentially access the owner's network, leading to worse attack or data exfiltration. Privacy. In addition to home security, many smart home customers worry about the data privacy. The NTT data report found 73% of the consumers are concerned about the privacy of the data shared by their smart device. Where smart devices and the platform manufacturers may collect consumers' data to better tailor their product or offer new and improved service. to the customers. Trust and transparency are critical to manufacturer looking to gain a new customers. Conclusion and recommendations. One day we will find ourselves in a perfect, organized, and ecosystem of the smart device that communication with each other and improve and simplify our lives. The smart home is the first step of the smart life. Consider the morning routine. The shutters will open right before you wake up to help you get rid of the sleeping. Even before you wake up, the coffee maker will start getting your morning coffee ready. Your stereo will start playing some morning music as you have your morning carb. Your TV will also turn on and show you your preferred news channel. Of course, all this is not going to happen overnight. There are few barriers to widespread adoption of the smart homes. The primary of which is cost. Security and privacy is another major concern. But as the prevalence grows, the cost slowly reduces. The industry is predicted to be reach its top popularity in a decade. It means that you still have time to get prepared and hit the market with an IoT smart home solution that will be used by a wide audience. Thank you, and a question.